In this video, I will show you how to change Samsung emojis into iOS emojis. First, you need to install the Font 3 app. You can download it from the Play Store. After downloading it, open it and then click on Grant and click Allow. After that, click on See All. Swipe down until you see iOS emojis. There are a lot of different versions of iOS, either iOS 18 or iOS 17. Choose whatever you want and then click on it and click download and the download will start. After download is finished, click on the tick button and click on auto and then click on create. Wait few seconds and then click on install package and install the file. And you have to download the file, so install it. After that, click on open and click on grant and allow permission and click on package installer. Then go to settings and allow permission and click on install. Then click on scan app and click on install and then click on done. Then go back. Now you can go and verify that emojis are modified. Click on any text bar and click on the emojis and you can see here these are iPhone emojis. And that's it. Subscribe for more Samsung tips.